me too. Mind me too.
What a meta you.
I'm out of this.
Thermal protection
Watch your
falling.
Empowered. Empowered.
Frontal. Laser on you. Run.
I'm sorry, I'm fucking with everything. My greatest opener of all time.
Watch your step.
Uranium.
Laser on
Lock
you.
in, hold on.
Run.
There you go.
Frontal.
It's all good. Who the fuck am I targeting now? Like I said. So, foot. Oh.
Nah, I was messing with the macro. No, because now I have Solias, so those fucking, my macros using 13 and 14, so I tried to switch it after the key started, and it wouldn't let me change my fucking item count. So I then had to go back to the macro, and yeah, can go.
It's all good, man.
I did, but Solias fucks it up.
Yep.
Interrupt.
That's it. We've seen it. Live on Discord.
Big. Oh no. Oh thank god, I almost wasted glaive. These guys gotta die and then I can go. I no grips again, so good luck here.
Empowered.
Interrupt.
Empowered.
Got some divers, totally fine. I silence them now.
Watch your step.
I'm stunning now.
Watch your step.
No stops now.
Scouting.
Watch your step.
What is our timing if we go left? Oh,
I was nowhere near that. What the fuck?
I got the replay, don't worry. Well, actually, me and Chris both have the replay.
Our timing,
Holy.
we get lost for Big Mama if we go left.
no. Like if we go like left up here, like if we go and pull that bomb first.
Oh, that's a good question. I don't have the answer.
I don't know what that looks like. We're going into this demolitionist.
Watch your step. Frontal.
Yeah.
Stunning now.
I chains now.
Oh shit.
That's okay. Oh, that's fine.
I'll knock up the next RPG.
Okay.
Frontal.
RPGG.
Watch the surprise.
I'm out of shit for the knockups.
Okay.
Frontal.
I don't know if they're on DR, but I'm capping.
Yeah, I also cap one.
Not sure.
DR tracker.
Frontal. Frontal. Frontal.
Out. They leave me in the background.
Frontal.
Guys are gonna come down slowly.
I'll
I will
stun there.
change. I'll change. Chain. Okay, now you can stun whenever.
Okay.
Interrupt.
Looks like now. We're going Big Mama.
Big Mama.
Missing the stairwell.
Nice. Two shamans OP man. Every kick. It's not easy to get. Nice.
You guys just gotta. It's so much easier to kick when it's just the boss mobs versus like the entire pack.
Yeah, I agree.
I got a sentence for this one.
Killads.
Okay. Like one glaive, that's it.
Yeah, my class works. I'm just a procker. So I don't even know if I have damage
Kill
sometimes.
Big
You know?
Ad.
Sometimes I do, sometimes I
True,
don't.
man.
I have a sentence and
safe.
healing in the stream on the next one.
Like right now, just proc. A little double procker. Procked again. All of a sudden, god damn. Miss my kick, somebody else get it.
I got it. Having to actually use my CDs correctly is so fucking cringe.
I think that I actually use my
Run
CDs
out.
correctly.
I do like
this.
Fel Dev for damage, man. I do not want to Fel Dev. I get Darkness too.
What the? Uncalled.
That's
Uncalled
good.
for.
No, that's a very good overlap. Very good overlap. Darkness is not a
Kill
real
Big
CD,
Ad.
man.
Darkness is the realest CD.
Fake news.
Run out.
Brand's back. Well, guys got fucking. Big, nice shot. Yeah, 14 is though definitely still too low. Like this feels very easy.
I'm not gonna
Oh,
mind
yeah.
that problem, dog.
Oh god! I'm back with the wrong direction.
Watch your step.
Empowered.
I got sniper.
This is the blood orb. Hold on. I silence it right now too, so they cannot overlap anything weird. I don't know what that guy's doing in China, by the way. I'm sorry.
Watch your step.
You big chill. I got next on
One person that
sniper.
probably cares is a loaf, I'd guess.
I'm stunning now.
So I'm sorry. Oh, my damage is so bad there, man. Help out, help out,
Oh
help out.
my
Don't
god.
know.
You're dead, Ryan.
I had to knock it. Knocked it. Knocked it.
I have
Watch
a
your
here too.
step.
Tapping.
Okay, so
Alright,
note
we
yourself. A blood guard is something I do
Watch
need
your
to
step.
save a CD for.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I think he also
yes.
wasn't getting cleaved, so he's kind of heavy.
Yeah.
I thought about winging it, and I tried winging it, and it was a bad wing.
Hey, nobody
Yeah,
died.
if he would have
Nobody
died. Yeah, he would have died if he would have walked in faster too, so it would have been
Yeah,
way
yeah.
less scary.
Yeah, I saw the.
Oh, I should have just.
Oh,
Oh, I might be dead.
Oh,
Unless you just
okay,
ran.
I can cast wall on this. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
absolutely.
We're getting one set of divers.
Ooh.
Would you let these guys come in? We'll kill the scaffolding.
Watch your step.
And then we get these things go off. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now we go.
Feet, watch your feet. Watch the bombs. Watch the bombs. Watch the bombs.
Watch your step. Laser on you. Run.
Oh my god, man.
Tap down. Tap
I
down.
killed you.
Watch your step.
Read it twice and blinked and read it again.
Oh.
Melee by diver.
Watch your step.
Diver just
Nice, root there, whoever that was.
Yeah.
Laser on you. Run.
Knock it. It's slowed.
Yeah, I have him at least. I kill the guys and we're done.
Watch your step.
Watch the melee.
And the beam guy's dead. Oh, there's another one kick.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was two. Holy fuck.
Yeah. Alright, that was good though. I'll check. Two architects left though. The unfortunate part here.
It's just sometimes hard to like hit the scaffolding when it's in a. I don't know. My nameplates feel like they kind of fuck these dungeons.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yep,
Like they go. No, I mean they go too high up. It's because of how I have my mouse. My camera's always facing. I look down. So the nameplate's always like at the top of the screen in a bundle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second here.
You got exactly 1 second.
Watch your step.
I got stall.
Guy in China, if you can silence him when he comes closer.
Okay,
Frontal.
stunning now.
Okay. I also grip out of this. Gripping now.
Watch your step.
Silence vigil now. Boom. Watch your pieces.
Watch your step. Frontal. Frontal. Watch your step. Watch your step. Frontal. Frontal.
Three, two, one.
Frontal.
The one behind the boss after this.
Frontal.
After all charge from last. Yeah, get that one in range. I'll get the one in melee.
Frontal. Target you.
No, this little fucking idiot, man.
Frontal.
Problems on our wall.
They're
Frontal.
like insanely even right now.
It's all range, dog. We can just hit it with whoever.
Yeah, true. Very true.
Yeah, get closer to one. Closer to one. Oh,
Can't.
okay.
Frontal.
I did
Yeah,
not think I was gonna hit.
Oh. Oh, okay.
I could revive in a second.
You can,
Or should I hold it?
you can just.
Frontal.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh,
Oh, you'll be fine though. That's like barely any damage. I didn't even see it. I thought we got them all.
Target you. Target you. Frontal.
get this one over here.
Yeah, I'll go that way. I'll do Blay. Do not kill bronze. Probably.
Alright, well, now we have a BRS available.
We have 2.
Oh, we have 2? Oh.
Yeah.
I only got one thing on my bars. Or I only got one in my bag.
Okay. We're gonna do kelp with divers.
You got there's stuff.
Oh, we got. Hold on. I froze. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. Yeah, stopping now. One's up. That's my bad.
Watch your
I have
step.
silence vigil after
Interrupt.
this.
Watch your step.
My whole game froze for a second there. That was sort of not ideal.
Watch your step.
Yeah.
Love that.
Something else. Holy.
Only
I
the
just don't have enough to you.
strongest survive.
Yeah, I have no CDs for
Watch
this
your
poll.
step.
Tapping down. Tap down. Tap down.
Watch your
Probably
step.
yard. Yeah. I fear now.
Watch your step.
Later. No, they're dead.
Chilling out.
Okay, that'll work. Yeah, save it for a second. I'll send its first one.
Stack.
Game flashing. Buggers.
Loading sound. 1 second.
Line. Gather.
And
Watch your
forward.
step.
It's every single time a boss is getting pulled or like a track back game. It's literally at the start.
Watch
every
your
single
step.
time.
I mean, mine did it on the trash pack right before us. Too.
Yeah, like right when you pulled. It's
Oh,
it's always
yeah.
like at the start, like right when you're about to do something.
Yeah.
Stack. Line. Gather.
37 million Elder now. Holy.
Watch your step.
VE next, and then I'll natty heal.
Watch your step.
Actually, I'm gonna healing tide as well.
Move.
Stack.
Next one, Link.
Line. Gather.
Link and mass barrier.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
Healing us, man.
Is this bitch gonna mass barrier? Holy shit! Look.
Stack.
Oh no, yeah. Is that
Line.
locked or is that not
Gather.
locked? If anything.
He's
Oh,
locked in. He can't
Watch
hear
your
you.
step.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
Next one, personal.
That's not bad.
Maybe mass barrier this one.
Watch your step.
All personals.
Hit the barrier button now. Hit the barrier button now.
Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Hit it. Let's go.
Still dicey.
Stack.
Yeah, fuck it.
Line. Gather.
This is like the one fight
Watch
that
your
totemic is just better for healing output.
I got health bar. That's all I got.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I got the big man act. Big
Watch
man
your
act, see?
step.
Oh, sweet.
I was on this too. I didn't even press it. I'm trolling.
Okay,
Stack.
didn't even need it. Didn't even need it. That'll be an oversend.
Line. Gather. Watch your step.
Heal.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
I did not get any DRE procs that entire fight. That feels fucking horrible.
But don't you just love Fox though? You know.
No.
Frontal.
What the?
Yeah, I didn't shoot in China.
He came up behind too quick. Too quick.
Frontal.
Sounds of that.
Frontal.
Should be a pack you send master spell on.
Frontal.
You're gonna have to take that for a second.
Huge mass.
Ooh, true.
There's too many debuffs for him to
Frontal.
to work for him.
I'm fucking chilling.
Yeah, true. That fucking inspector was bullying you back there. This got you pushed up against the locker.
Frontal.
Oh my god.
What the?
Frontal.
Alright.
For sure. I'm always in a weird spot, you know. Yeah, I didn't want to get pushed up against that locker, dog. That's.
Maybe you guys get a little closer, and then I'm gone. Okay, I'm going out.
Frontal.
You don't have to stop any
Empower.
large casts because they're all on me. No, you can stop.
Empowered.
I have silence sigil now. I already changed that, sorry. And then I silence sigil now.
Frontal. Frontal.
Look, goddamn.
Can you spell me?
Frontal.
Okay, I'm going out. Start RP.
Frontal.
Repat for those inspectors because they don't really do anything other than to Move you.
Frontal.
True.
Frontal.
That's twist of fate.
I'm back. Hello.
Oh, welcome back.
You're
Dog.
back. Where'd you go? You're in the middle of a key, bro.
I was.
That's true. That is true. He fucking got you.
Huh.
Work call, man.
It wasn't work call. No one's at work right now. Bitch.
Nobody's at work.
No.
I'm a chop chop.
Yep.
What was the call about? Give me the deets.
Who's just my dad?
Oh. Did he want you to go to a party again?
No.
That's the only thing I know about your dad is he wanted you to.
Maybe the zoom, but it's okay.
AOE incoming.
That's fine.
Stay away from lines.
I feel like if I didn't, we were dead. So I did.
Okay, you got me. You got me.
Kite spot to
Anyone
water.
next to melee if I can.
Oh, I just walked into it. I'm dead. I'm dead. Grab me. Grab me. Grab. Grab. Grab.
Let
grab.
me- I got the healing. I got the healing surges.
Wait. Wait.
I'm
Wait.
fine, shit. I'm fine right now.
Defensive.
Still one on somebody.
Big zap going out right now, though.
Yeah, it's on me. Okay, you can come out.
AOE incoming. Stay away from lines.
I didn't realize that one got instant fucking what's it called?
It's just how it is, man.
Defensive.
No Sam Salak.
I'm fine.
Get in the dog.
Not even close to dying, mate. I had a 25 million shield.
I got Kong level. I got Kong level. I accidentally healed you instead of me first, even though I went lower.
Kite spot to water.
Uh-oh. I won.
I got Link for this one. Get a melee. Get a melee for this next AoE. This next AoE, we're all melee. We're all in melee.
Alright.
AOE incoming. Stay away from
That's it.
lines.
Just don't get hit by the lines.
I'm being chilling, man.
Yeah, I literally thought I had like a defensive for when I got that dot. So it's like I was starting to heal you. I got you.
Oh
Right.
god. Yeah. Alright.
Kite spot to
Just like
water.
the way I was in between everything.
Nope. That's
Jane? Oh. We got a HOA 15. That's a fun key.
Without a DK, you're crazy, bro.
Wow, that's a fun key. What do you mean?
Down Quinn plus Connor.